Your customer says the product isn't working. You check the system, scroll down the records, search dates, invoices, records, and still, you are not sure whether it is under warranty or not. That's exactly why PayRecon WMS comes with the Warranty Checker. With just one click, you know it instantly. The Warranty Checker tracks warranty automatically. It tracks warranty based on product rules, sales date, outbound date, and even serial number. With just one search, you immediately know whether the item is still under warranty, about to expire, or already expired. No more guessing, no more wrong replacements, no more unnecessary losses. Staff make the right decision every time. PayRecon is trusted by over 1,000 plus growing businesses that manage high-value products and complex inventories. Why rely on memory and paper? Let PayRecon WMS handle the warranty decisions for you. Contact us today.